Let's learn about the Lsusb command to view the information of connected devices. Lsusb command is used to display the information of various USB devices connected to the system. It also includes devices such as flash storage, web camera, and other external devices. List USB drives command. In this demo, we will learn about the Lsusb command used to list the USB drives connected to your machine. When you type the command Lsusb and press enter, you get the list of USB devices that you have access to. We have a virtual mouse that is connected to the system. The USB hub is a hardware component where the USB acts as a switch for the connected devices. This is how you can use the Lsusb command to list the available USB drives.